Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to delineate watershed using digital elevation models in ArcGIS. Let's get it started. Open ArcGIS. I already opened it over here. Navigate to where your digital elevation models are saved. Here, digital elevation models. If you didn't download Digital Elevation yet, I have already created a tutorial where I show how to download digital elevation models from different sources. Let's start. Go to Catalog and select Toolbox, System Toolbox, and Spatial Analysis Tools. In Spatial Analysis Tool, select Hydrology. In Hydrology, select Fill, and we use fill tool to remove any sink or depression in the digital elevation models, and this create a hydrological correct service so water can flow properly across the terrain. Select the digital elevation models DEM. It takes some time. Output, right, fill. Let's select fill productive. Say okay. It is processing over here. And while it's processing, we can select flow direction. Yes, it's done. And flow direction, which determine direction of water that will flow out of each cell. Okay, do it again. Flow direction, select fill, and type direction dot diff. Okay, only one diff. Okay, done. Then we'll go to flow accumulation. In flow accumulation, we identify area where water naturally converge. Select direction and write accumulation directive. Say okay and okay. Done. If we want clearly to visualize the main river and stream, we can select accumulative and go to properties. In properties, symbology, classify. We want to reduce the minimum value. It's up to you. For me, I will select 5,000. 5,000 means that only pixels that have 5,000 or more in the upstream contributing to the cells are being classified as a high flow. Apply. Okay. And then we'll select basins. We want to delineate our basins, streams, and river get visualized. Basins, in basins, flow direction, right basin, dot diff. Okay, okay. Now it's clearly show the basins, different basins, but in raster format, we can convert it to vector, to polygon in convergence tool, raster, from raster to polygon. select basins and output basin, make it basins 1 or poly directive. Okay, now we have our watershed. Change the color to hollow. Okay, and check elevation, fill, direction, and this one to see clearly. Yeah, and next we'll calculate map algebra. Okay, select accumulation should be greater than the value we add in the properties 5000. Make it map and say okay, deductive. Say okay. And we have to convert it to polyline as well. Go to same conversion tool, raster, raster to polyline. Select map algebra, what we have done so far, and output polyline. Not if, just leave it as it is, as it's a fixture. Okay, okay. Now it's done successfully. Just change the color. Okay. Now clearly, let's change the basins. Increase the basin to 1.5 to be 1.25. Okay. And map algebra polyline. Make it 1.25. So it's appear clearly. We can change the color to blue. Yes. And check map and check polyline. First, we have to specify which basins we want to extract. Select this, select feature. So we have option to select which basins we want to extract. It is up to you. In my case, I want to extract this one, the big one, and select geoprocessing. In geoprocessing clip, we want polyline, not polyline, basins, polygon, and same polygon. Just write basin 1. Say okay. It's done. Now it's get delineated and check the previous one. Yes. And same for polyline. Make it hollow. If we check this one, we see there is some streams out of our basins. What we will do is geoprocessing. We need to clip it again. The input feature, polyline, and the clip feature is a basins, and make it river. Okay, okay. Then uncheck the polyline Yeah, this our uh this our basins get delineated, and for visualization just let's increase it to no 1.2, only 2. Okay, basins 1.2. Say okay. Yes, it's done. And we can simply visualize the digital elevation models and change the color. Then okay, and we can extract the digital elevation models from here. Go to in spatial analysis tool, extraction, extract by mask. The input feature is digital elevation models, this one. Here the raster or the mask feature. We'll select basins one. Say okay. Yes, it's done. And check the previous one and change the color. Yes, this is how to delineate watershed in ArcGIS using digital elevation models. And we can use data frame, select view, data view, uh, view, layout view. And in layout view, we can increase this one to the border, full extension. And from here, insert, we can add title, say watershed. Okay, insert title after title, legend. Then this is a legend, and insert. We have different scale. Select as per your wish. Say okay. You can simply change from mile to kilometer. Okay, and we can use direction as well. Here we have different features. Select this one. It's up to you to select which one you want. This is how to delineate and visualize your watershed. If you found this video is useful, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, leave it in the comment below. See you next tutorial.